Have you ever wondered how potato chips are made? Let's take a quick tour inside a modern potato chip factory. The process begins with fresh, high-quality potatoes. They are delivered to the factory, where powerful machines wash them thoroughly to remove dirt, dust, and small stones. Next, automatic peelers remove the potato skins. The clean potatoes then move through slicing machines that cut them into ultra-thin, perfectly even slices. Uniform slices ensure every chip cooks evenly. The slices are washed again to remove excess starch. This step prevents the chips from sticking together and helps them become extra crispy. After washing, powerful air dryers remove the remaining moisture. Now it's time for frying. The potato slices are dropped into large fryers filled with hot vegetable oil. In just a few minutes, they turn golden brown and develop their signature crispy texture. Once fried, the chips travel along cooling conveyors. At this stage, rotating drums evenly coat them with seasonings such as salt, barbecue, cheese, sour cream, and onion or spicy flavors. Finally, the finished chips are weighed and packed into airtight bags filled with nitrogen.